Hi, this is Dan Pygott from the Pygott Properties Group at Royal LePage, Sussex, and welcome to our July market update. Now, last month we talked a little bit about what we were expecting after the interest rate drops in early June. We figured the market would pick up and gain momentum as it launched into the summer. And unfortunately, we did not see that last month. And now looking at the stats, what we saw was kind of the reverse, where there was twice as many listings as there were sales in a lot of the areas of the Lower Mainland, including North Van, across all property types. That's detached, attached, townhouses, and condos. Now, some of the other markets, downtown, East Van, saw similar trends as well. So again, we're seeing less pressure on property prices going up because buyers feel like they have time to make a decision. Now, the biggest change in the month of July is the BC government's rollout of the changes to the notice to end a tenancy. Now, this is vitally important for all those that are looking to buy or sell if it includes a tenanted property. Now, there's three changes to note. The first one is when you're giving notice to end a tenancy for personal use, you're going to now have to do that in writing, but also register it through a government portal, as they would like to track whether these are happening, how often they're happening, and so that they can follow up to see if proper notice was given. The next one is the length of time, the amount of notice you have to give to a tenant to vacate has doubled. It's increased from a minimum of 2 full months notice to 4 full months notice. And this is a big change in real estate for the simple reasoning that a buyer, their pre-approval typically lasts 90 to 120 days. So if you're getting beyond 4 months notice, a buyer's financing may not extend that far. So that could impact their ability to get financing on a property, or they're interested in buying a tenanted property. Now, the final piece of the puzzle, or the third one that could impact us, is the arbitration deadline. So tenants right now have 15 days to file for arbitration if they feel like they've been given improper notice. That is doubled to 30 days notice, and that can stall a transaction if you want to move in and a buyer wants vacant possession. If a tenant is to arbitrate, you can imagine that can cause a lot of problems. Now, there's other rule changes as well, but those are the three big ones we wanted to bring to your attention right now. In the coming months, we may continue to talk about this because we may see some industry changes to help deal with this. Now, enjoy your start to summer. The weather's great. Hopefully the market will pick up. And remember, just because it's a slower market in the summer doesn't mean it's a bad time to sell. So give us a call today. We'll tell you how you fit in the market, how we can position you to be successful. We'll talk soon.